there, today we're gonna talk about the automatic drinkers. These are the dome shaped and they are very easy to use in the backyard. These are very adapted. They fill automatically when the bowl gets lighter. Here is a spring inside of here. You can set it up by moving this black ring and the white one. It's all with a thread, and you can select the level you want to fill inside. This one fills up to nearly 1 inch of water. Whenever a little of water goes out, it starts to fill immediately from here. When the weights go down, look, it will stop and cut the water. So it fills by weight. When it's empty, it will fill automatically. There is a valve here, a spring valve, which opens and closes the pipe, which goes directly to the tank or to the main. I prefer to the tank, so there isn't much pressure on it. This can be used in series. The chickens get used to it immediately, and you can adjust the height by a rope. As you can see, it's already full up. It stopped water. The water stopped running, and they are very good to have peace of mind about the water in your aviary. Okay, thank you.